Hey guys, welcome back to the 1 minute review. Today we're looking at a foot massager. So if you have plantar fasciitis, that seems to be an issue with a lot of people. A doctor recommended this for the foot. So we're going to take a quick look at it. We're going to see what it looks like, and I'm actually going to test it. It's something that's a real problem. A lot of people really have this issue. Just your foot hurts in the back of your foot and your heel, and the therapists say you have to stretch them out and do some kind of stretching, and this is something that helps massage your foot and also stretch the fascia. So that's what this does. Now it's made out of like a heavy plastic, and it's got bumps all over it here. The idea behind all these bumps is to help when you roll it over your foot. It helps stretch things out and move back and forth. And then my doctor says you do this at least a couple times a day, especially in the morning when you get up. And this seems to be a huge problem. So if you have something like that, or feet pain, or spasms, or Charlie horses, anything, this could really help massage the foot and stretch out those muscles and ligaments under your feet that take a beating every day. So that's what this is for. So I'm just going to demonstrate this real quick on my foot and let you know how it feels. I would recommend, I think I would definitely recommend that if you're going to have issues, at least try this. They have kits out there with a bunch of different things, and I think this might be a better, at least start here, I think, and see how it goes. There's different balls, and there's different ice methods, this and that, and all kinds of different things you can do, and stretching and all that stuff. But this here seems to be one of the really important steps. And you can wear this with socks, no problem, or without, depending on what you want to do. I'll have mine with socks on, and I'll just demonstrate to you how I'm going to use this and just let you see how this works. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel for more videos just like this to help educate, motivate you, and inspire you to make a decision if this is going to work for you. And I'll leave a link down below for this product if you're interested, and also there'll be a link, possibly a QR code over here. I'll check that. You can scan that with your phone, and leave me some comments down below. Is this a big problem for you? And let me know if this works for you, because I need to know, because this is a serious issue and the pain can be very, very painful. Then hopefully this will help. So let me just do a quick demonstration and just show you how I'm going to use it, and then hopefully it'll help you as well. Okay, so you can see I have it on my foot here, and I'm just going to be sitting in a chair, and I'm going to put my foot in the middle and just roll it back and forth, as you can see here, back and forth. I'm going to just twist my foot in, back of the heel to the front, and back to the heel and to the front, and that's the idea behind it. Don't put a ton of pressure, just go back and forth and just let it really just ride your foot, and it really feels really good, especially to the back of the foot. Now you can put as much pressure as you want on this. You don't have to hurt yourself too much. Just sitting down right now and just rolling my foot back and forth, as you can see, and it feels really good. And you can just stretch to the toes and push down and push it back to the heel, and you can kind of play with it to the back of the heel. You can see what I'm doing here, and it just really, really feels good. So I'm definitely going to recommend something like this, especially I have a lot of cramping on my feet too, so this could help, hopefully that as well. But for that fasciitis, for the fascia at the bottom of your foot, you really want to massage that whole thing, and this is the easiest way to do it. So I'm definitely going to say this is definitely a win. So definitely pick this up. I think it's going to work for you. It's not a lot of money for a big help. I think for me, it's going to, and it feels really good, by the way. It really, really does. So okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you was able to help you and educate you and show you how to use something like this here. So it definitely works, and it feels really good, and it fits perfectly around the feet, and it just feels super, super good. So hope it helps. Hope it works. Let me know. Leave me some comments down below. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.